If you've been keeping up with the news, you know that there are plenty of toxic and hazardous materials that you come in contact with on a daily basis. Chances are you've come in contact with a toxic substance in the last hour. But what are toxic materials, and how can you identify them in your home? Let's start by defining what it means if something is toxic. Toxicity is the degree to which a substance can cause damage to an organism. Toxic hazardous chemicals can cause skin irritation, watery eyes, burns, poisoning, or even cancer. They can also harm local lakes, rivers, and drinking water supplies if disposed of improperly. Many household cleaners contain chemicals that are hazardous to your health and for the environment. Try not to buy products that contain any of the following words on their labels: danger, warning, poison, toxic. These are signal words, and they indicate the product's risk to humans, pets, and the environment. Industrial strength cleaners are overkill for most jobs around the house. If you do choose to use these toxic products, use and dispose of them properly, and buy only what you need to avoid surplus that becomes a storage and waste problem later. You might be shocked to learn that there are no federal regulations of chemicals in household products. Household cleaners and their ingredients do not have to meet safety standards before going to market. That means the cleaner you're using could have anything in it. Luckily, there are many less hazardous products available at your local grocery store, such as natural dish soaps, toilet drain cleaners, natural laundry detergent, and degreasers. Keep an eye out for the EPA's Design for the Environment label on products. This label will help identify cleaning and other products that perform well and are safer for human health and the environment than traditional products. You can make effective cleaners using simple ingredients from your home. Try using equal parts water and vinegar to clean your windows, bathrooms, and kitchen. Have a clogged or slow drain? Use 1/4 cup baking soda followed by 1/2 cup vinegar. Cover it and let it sit for 15 minutes, then flush with boiling water. The less you come in contact with toxic materials, the safer you and your family will be. Instead of choosing a solvent-based paint, go with a water-based paint. Avoid using aerosol products as they can contain chlorinated compounds, petroleum distillates, phenols, and formaldehyde, which poses an inhalation hazard. Try to find pump sprays instead. Avoid pesticides. You can plant pest and disease-resistant plants. Do some research on what native insects you can add to your garden that will rid you of pests. Lady beetles, green lacewigs, and praying mantis are some great options. I'm here at Boulder County's Hazardous Materials Management Facility, where they process the hazardous materials that cannot be traditionally recycled or safely disposed of in a landfill. The facility is located at 1901 63rd Street in Boulder and is open to the public Wednesday through Saturday, 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. If you bring in any motor oil, it will get recycled and used to make new oil products such as asphalt. Your old antifreeze can be cleaned and reused again as recycled antifreeze. All those half cans and spray bottles of paint, stain, cleaner, and chemicals can also be brought in, be reused, and recycled. Together, we can make Boulder County a zero-waste community. For more information on proper disposal of hazardous wastes, please visit www.bouldercountyrecycles.org or stop by the Boulder County Hazardous Materials Management Facility and talk with a specialist. Remember, reduce, reuse, recycle, and compost.